Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix camera not working in Windows 11. So there are 6 methods to fix this issue. Method number 1 is just go to the start button, right click over it and click on settings option. And now in the left hand side just click on privacy and security option. Now go to the right hand side and just go down. And now just click on camera option. Now just make sure that this option camera access is turned on in your system. So if it is turned off, then just toggle it on like it is now. Similarly, the camera access should be enabled for the apps on which you are using the camera. So if you are using the camera on Microsoft Store, then it should be turned on. Similarly, if you are using the Zoom app, then it should be turned on for the Zoom app also. I don't have the Zoom app, that's why it is not showing the Zoom option here. And this last option should also be turned on. Let desktop apps access your camera. So just toggle it on in your system. After this, just check whether your camera is working or not. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Go to the start button, right click over it and click on device manager option. Now just expand this cameras and just click on the camera driver. So in my system it is integrated camera, but the name may be different in your system. So just select it, the camera driver, right click over it and click on the option disable device. Click on the yes button and now just wait for few seconds. After this, again click on the camera driver, right click over it and click on enable device option. So our camera driver is now enabled, and now just check whether your camera is working or not. So this was method number 2. If method number 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Again click on the camera driver, right click over it and click on the option uninstall device. Click on the uninstall button. Just remember one thing, do not check this option. Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Do not check this. Just click on the uninstall button. Now wait for few seconds and then just go to the action menu, and under action menu just click on the scan for hardware changes option. So our camera driver is now installed. Now just restart your system and just check whether your camera is working or not. So this was method number 3. If method number 3 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 4. Again go to the camera driver, select it, right click over it and click on the option update driver. Now click on the option search automatically for drivers. So it will search the internet for the updated driver, and if it find any updated driver, then just click on the install button to install it. But if it shows this message, the best driver for your device are already installed, then just click on this arrow icon to go back. And now just click on the browse my computer for drivers option. Then just click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now just select this first option, integrated camera version 10.13. So whatever it is, just select this first option, integrated camera. Click on the next button. Click on the close button. So our driver is now updated, and now just check whether your camera is working or not. So this was method number 4. If method number 4 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 5. So some laptops and PCs have this camera key on their keyboard, and this camera key is used to enable or disable the camera. So if your laptop or PC keyboard has this camera key, then just press it to enable the camera. In Lenovo laptop, it is F8 key, so just press F8 key or press function along with the F8 key to enable the camera. So this was method number 5. If method number 5 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 6. In method number 6, we will install the camera driver on our system. And for this you will require the model name of your laptop or PC. And the model name is generally written at the backside of your laptop. So just note it down somewhere. So it will be like this. So in my case it is Lenovo 81WB IdeaPad 3 15IML05U1. After you have the model name of your laptop or PC, just open the browser and now in the search bar, first type the manufacturer name of your laptop or PC. So in my case it is Lenovo. After this, just type drivers. Now suppose if you have Dell laptop, then you have to type Dell drivers here. And after this, just hit enter. Now just click on the first link, the support link of your laptop manufacturer. Now go down and click on view PC support. Click on browse product. Click on laptop. Now you have to select the series. So in my case it is IdeaPad 3. So just select the series. So here it is 3 series laptop IdeaPad. And now just select the sub-series. So it is 15IML05U1. So here it is IdeaPad 3 15IML05 laptop. Now go down and just click on this option drivers and software. Now click on manual update tab. Now just select the operating system. In my case it is Windows 11 64-bit. So just check it and just uncheck this Windows 10. Now go down and just click on this option camera and card reader. So here is the camera driver that we have to install. Just click on this arrow icon and now just click on the download icon. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now just double click on the camera driver. Click on yes. Click on OK button. Choose this first option, I accept the agreement, and click on next button. Click on next button. Click on install button. Click on the OK button. Click on finish button. Now just restart your system, and after restarting your system, the camera driver will be installed on your system and the camera will start working. So these were the 6 methods that you can try out to fix camera not working on Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.